Hi, we're in Cabo San Lucas and we are going to be staying here at Villa de Dos Vistas. That means house of two vistas.
There's vistas and there's this house here that's connected also. So this is for a group adventure.
And the sphere rocket. Oh, look at this lovely circular kitchen. Beautiful. Oh, nice. Laundry facilities. Matt and Megan will be in that room.
We got this dining area with this one of our vistas. There's a cleaning gal, she's here. This is one of the suites. All of the suites have a spectacular view.
Balconies. Oh, look at the jacuzzi or infinity pool.
Okay.
Wow.
We'll go check that out when we get done.
Look at the table.
They stocked everything. Let's see. Little Tito's, some Jack.
Stacks of towels for us to use. And then over here we have a TV room with fireplace. I doubt we'll need the fireplace. Oh, I love the turtle.
And there's Jason and Janie's going to be in this room. Janae, and they have a wonderful view also.
Yeah.
Because we have this pool up here, the infinity pool with jacuzzi.
Let's go down these lovely stairs to where our room is located. Laundry facilities.
So here's
Another suite.
Here's one of the suites.
Also with a view.
Also has a view.
Common living space.
Nice living room.
I love this bar. It is beautiful.
Ah, señorita, cerveza, tequila aquí?
Tequila, 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 tequila,
Tequila.
tequila.
Would you like some tequila?
Tequila.
It is stocked with tequila.
Empty bottles.
Looks pretty.
It looks pretty. And all the glasses. And an ice machine and a water purifier through the fridge. And then here we have the exercise / massage room.
Uh-huh.
Treadmill, bike, a water wall, towel warmer for the masseuse, and a massage table.
There's a common bathroom with a shower. And down here is our room.
Yeah.
So here is our room.
With a view, for sure.
With a view. Okay, and so...
And this lovely mirrored wall here is actually on the other side our bathroom. Came with all these closets, more than closets than I've got at home. And then you walk in here and you don't trip on the nice thick plush rugs. We've got this jetted tub. It's actually a jacuzzi.
Okay.
And then we step into this lovely little round room here.
And this is your shower.
This is the rain locker.
There is a shower head, and look at that view. Let's go check out the deck. And the temperature goes up.
Woo!
So here we go from one end. There is the outside of our shower. So this is a big gated community of, some of them I'm sure are just private homes. This one is set up for big meetings, big groups. So this one, I guess this one actually has 4 bedrooms. The one next door I think has 8 bedrooms.
And there's
and then
the
deck
Pacific
patio goes all the way down there.
And so will we. Fire pit, grill space.
Here's the upstairs patio and pool area of our house.
Oh, it's nice and cool.
This is where we will be spending the next 5 days.
Yeah.
And some great people and having fun, learning some new things and enjoying the beautiful weather. Time to put some sunscreen on.
Yeah.